Today we are going to look at question 14. This is the PMP Exam Q&A with explanations. It is a YouTube video series that should help you build your PMI mindset and question approach to situational questions. If you're loving this video series, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we post new content. But most importantly, if you find a good thing, why not share with the people that you love? So if you have people who are actually preparing for the PMP exam, share the link with them so that they can also build their understanding and their question approach when it comes to PMP exam questions. So moving forward, question number 14. Midway through execution, a project team encounters repeated integration issues between components owned by different subteams. Team members raise the same problems in multiple meetings, but actions remain fragmented and the issues persist. What should the project manager do? Option A, facilitate a structured problem-solving session to identify root causes and agree on corrective actions. Option B, ask the affected subteams to coordinate and resolve the integration issues locally within their areas. Option C, escalate the recurring issues to the project sponsor for additional guidance on corrective priorities. And option D, track the reported issues more closely and review progress regularly during routine status meetings. So this question seems to come from the PMP examination content outline domain 1. It is most likely a hybrid development approach. So as always we do, pause the video right about now and attempt question 14. Write your answer down, or if you're watching this, just drop your answer in the comment section before going to the explanation section. So I hope you've done that. Correct. Now this question is testing your ability to recognize when a project issue actually requires a root cause analysis, instead of just repeated monitoring. And the key clue is that the same integration problems are being discussed in multiple meetings, but the actions still remain fragmented and the issues still keep coming back. So that can tell us that the team is reacting to the symptoms rather than solving the actual problem. So according to the PMI mindset, the project manager should bring the right people together, understand why the issue is happening, and agree on a sustainable solution. Now that is why option A is the correct answer. A structured problem-solving session will allow the sub-team to collaborate, will allow the sub-teams to identify the root causes, and most importantly also to define corrective actions that can prevent the reoccurrence of these integration issues. The PMP exam tip in this case is that when an issue repeats itself despite multiple discussions, don't just increase tracking or simply escalate immediately. PMI expects you as a project manager to analyze the root cause and facilitate collaborative problem solving fast. So effective project managers, they solve problems at the source, not just managing the symptoms or the signs. So that is it for question 14, and I hope you got this one right this time. But once again, if you didn't get it right, continue to build on your PMI mindset. Hopefully you'll get the next one right. Thank you for joining me for today's session, and I hope to see you in the next.